Yo, hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I was able to turn a $500 account, as you can see, a $550 account to a $25,000 account. Yeah, in this video I'll be showing you how I did that with ease. First of all, for you to do this kind of thing, guys, you need to take away fear. Yeah, you need to just empty the thing you call fear. Just take it away from your life if you want to trade and make huge money like this. First of all, because it's risky. So, and number two, you should trade with money, with the fund that you know you can afford to lose. Yeah, not the one that you can't afford to lose. Of course, as you can see, I use big lot size right here, which is kind of risky. So it's already $27,000. Yeah, so I use big lot size and it's kind of risky, but I'll be showing you how you can do it and how I did it. So let me put it that way, how I did it. First of all, I traded Volatility75 index. As you can see, Vix75, it is very volatile, as we all know. So I used some indicators which are very powerful, that are for Volatility75 index strategy. So the indicators I used to make this money with this strategy is what I'll be giving you right here and right now. So I'll show you the indicators and how you can use them to make money as well for yourself. First of all, the first indicator I used is the parabolic SAR. Yeah, parabolic SAR. Guys, please listen attentively to this video and don't skip any part of it, seriously, so you won't miss any part, of course, so you won't miss any information that I'll be dropping. And guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time we drop a new video, so you won't miss out. Check out our previous videos on crash and boom strategies, Volatility75 index strategy, and also crash and boom strategy. They are very powerful for you to make money as well. So guys, without wasting time, let's get over to this video. Okay, good to go. The first indicator is the parabolic SAR, which we'll be using right now. The first indicator, parabolic SAR, you go to your indicator tab, parabolic SAR. You can see the step, you set it on 0.02. Then for the maximum, set it on 0.2. You click done. The second indicator will be also a parabolic SAR. You click on the indicator tab, add button, then select parabolic SAR. This time around, we'll be using 0.02 and 0.04 and a 0.02 as well. 0.02, make the color black, done. This is the parabolic SAR that we just set. And lastly, guys, I think okay, it's defined $22 profit, $22,000 profit, guys. Okay, I'll show you quickly the next indicator, a moving average. A moving average, period 21, okay, period 10, make it shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. You can take a screenshot. Let's use the color blue, done. Next indicator, again, a moving average, period 21, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close levels, take it to red color, save and done. Last indicator we'll need is the awesome oscillator. Yeah, awesome oscillator, where is it? Okay, yeah, good. Awesome oscillator, you don't need to change anything. The value up, you use a green and a red, click and done. We're good to go. And push it down a bit. Okay, this is the strategy, guys. As you can see, this is 5-minute time frame right here on my screen. Like I would say, I will advise you to start using it from 15-minute time frame, as Volatility75 is a very volatile indices. So what you do right now is okay, I'm still holding it, guys. I'm still holding it. What I did to take to place this trade was that I went to my 30-minute and 1 hour. I used the 30-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour for the analysis. First of all, on the 30 minutes time frame, I saw that the red moving average crossed above this line. You can see I saw that the red moving average crossed above this blue line first of all, and again I saw the yellow parabolic SAR above the black parabolic SAR, and again I saw the awesome oscillator below the zero level, which is this red one coming below the zero level at this point. You can see coming below again. So when all three confirmations were gotten, it gives me a sell. That wasn't enough for me to enter. I moved to the 1 hour time frame, and then I saw a very perfect signal telling me to sell. Look at it at this point. Red moving average crossed above. Red moving average crossed above the blue moving average, and the yellow moving average above the black. Sorry, the yellow parabolic SAR above the black one, and the awesome oscillator below the red one was a perfect entry for me to place my sell. Look at it, it's so down again, came for a retest, and it's still coming down again. Okay, you can see, guys, again, this is another reason for me to hold the market. And then I moved down to the 4 hour time frame, which made my signal so convincing and clear. Okay, look at it, the 4 hour time frame, it just crossed above the red moving average, just crossed above the chart, and the black moving average above the yellow chart. You can see, and also the awesome oscillator below the zero level gives me a reason to place a sell. Guys, using this strategy to place a buy, you wait for the blue moving average to cross above the red line, the black above the yellow, and the awesome oscillator to move above the zero level. It gives you a buy. To get a sell, you wait for the red moving average to cross above the blue, yellow above the black parabolic SAR, and the awesome oscillator to be below the zero level. I hope you understand this, guys. To get a buy, blue moving average has to cross above the red moving average, black parabolic SAR has to cross above the yellow parabolic SAR, and the awesome oscillator has to be above the zero level. As soon as you see it starting to go above the zero level, first condition, second condition, and third one. So once the three conditions are met, you are good to place a buy and a sell. The strategy is very powerful, guys. Use it to make money for yourself. Once again at this point, you can see strategy working perfectly. Blue moving average crossed above, black parabolic SAR above it, and finally the third awesome oscillator is above the zero level, which gives you a reason to place a buy and make some good profits for yourself. Again, guys, continuously the strategy is working. Look at it again at this point, gives you reason to make money. Look at it, blue moving average crossed above the green line, and then look, boom, money for you. Again, to say red moving average below the blue line, and again the yellow awesome oscillator, the yellow parabolics are above the black one, and again this went below the zero level. It's a sell. Look at it, guys. Very perfect strategy, very perfect strategy for you to make money, guys. So hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop new videos for you guys to make money. This is Forex Success. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends and loved ones so that they can also benefit from this. If you don't have an account, you can click on the link at the description to open a deriv account, because deriv is the only broker that offer synthetic indices that it consists of crash and boom, volatility index, step index, and all range breaker for you guys to trade. It's 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Thank you, guys. Follow our Telegram link, follow our Telegram channel. The link is at the description below. We'll give out signals as well. So, and also our Instagram for questioning. You can also talk to me on Telegram. All link is at the description below. Check out our previous videos on crash and boom, step index strategy. The link is also at the description below, guys. A list of our recommended broker is at the description below for you to trade, in case you want to trade currency pairs and commodities. List of recommended brokers are there. We have the Octal FS and the FBS and also the monitor market. Link at the description below. Thank you guys once again. We love you from Forex Success.